down and down. I went to the ant colony. There are a lot of ants down there, and when I visit, those ants attack me. They attack me because they think me is them enemies or something like that. And when they took me to the queen, I have to explain that I'm not their enemies. Then the queen accept me. I go around the colony. When I go, I just realize that ants work hard like people. And suddenly there's a giant bird attack us. They took me to another room, and the ants fight against the bird. Then we won, and then I changed to the human. I just realized we should not kill those ants.